Hi friends, welcome to my channel Creative Balloons. Today I am showing you how to make mobile stand, and it is so easy. You can make it in just 7 steps. So let's start. First, we need to take a square paper. It is so easy, we can make it in just 7 steps. So let's start. First, we will fold the paper into half. Then unfold and refold like this. Then fold like this. Then unfold and make a triangle fold. Then unfold both and reverse the paper, and then make triangle fold on both the sides. Then unfold. We'll do like this. Then pull this corner and put inside like this. We will do same at opposite side also. Then like this, hold this corner. Our mobile stand is ready. So we made this easy mobile stand in just 7 steps. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching.